Today, we'll explore how to search for a message in WhatsApp Web on your PC with the new update. It's a quick and easy process, so let's dive right in. First, open your WhatsApp account in your preferred web browser. Just go to web.whatsapp.com and scan the QR code with your phone if you haven't already logged in. Once you're in, you'll have access to all your chats right on your computer screen. Next, look for the search bar at the top of the left sidebar. This is where the magic happens. Clicking on the search bar will allow you to enter the specific message or keyword you're trying to find. Now, type in the message you're searching for. It could be a word, a phrase, or even a contact's name. As you start typing, WhatsApp will filter your chats to show any conversations that contain the keyword. Finally, when you see the search results, click on the relevant chat. This will take you directly to the conversation where the message is located. Scroll through the chat to find the exact message you were looking for. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you can easily find any message on WhatsApp Web from your PC. Thanks to this handy search feature. Stay organized and never lose track of important conversations again. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to make the most out of your favorite apps.